If you want to get edge lighting on Google Pixel 10 Pro, then in that case we need to download an app that allows us to get the edge lights effect for notifications. So we're gonna go to the Play Store and then we can search for an app that provides edge lights or edge lighting. So we're gonna type edge lighting over here and you should be able to find a bunch of different apps as you can see over here. And in my case, let's say we're gonna use this Movies Edge app. And I'm gonna install this one and I'm gonna show you how to set it up. However, feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one. This one also has a custom AOD, but we can turn it off. So let's open it. We're gonna tap on the draw over apps, wait for the next screen. Here we need to find Movies Edge, there we go, and we need to allow the app to display over other apps. Let's go back. Now over here we have show on, so we have music overlay, which we can enable over here. You can choose while using the app, AOD music, and AOD notification. And in this case, we need to wait for the next thing to appear. There we go. Let's go to Movies Edge, and we need to allow notification access. There we go. And we're gonna go back. All right. So now we can start choosing which effect we wanted to use. Over here in the upper left corner, we have lines by default. We can choose to pretty much anything else. Some of these options are actually premium, so they are not for free. Those that have this star in the middle of them. And let's say we're gonna choose something like this one over here, this lights. On the right side over here, we can choose the color palette. So let's say I'm gonna choose this, maybe this purple one. There we go. But besides that, we can tap on this pen icon right next to the apply button, and we can, for example, adjust the thickness, the glow, and so on and so forth. Of course, different effects have different customization options, so you can just go over there in order to personalize this effect. And then once you are ready, we can press apply in order to use this effect. And there we go. But besides that, we can also go to settings and we can disable the always on display that is provided by this app. We can tap on the switcher over here in the upper right corner to turn off AOD. You can also go to edge lighting over here in order to find some customization options, so feel free to try it out. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.